Hello there, do you find yourself bogged down by boring repetitive tasks? If yes, let me tell you about a magic power that can free us from this monotony. Entering the world of automation. But what is automation and how it can help us? Automation in the digital world is the application of programs to achieve an outcome with minimal human input. Basically, what does that mean? That the computer going to do the work for us. One of the best tool or programming language for that as of now is Python. And it's what we are going to focus on this channel, showcasing crazy things we can automate. So before I show you an example, I want to tell you the context and what I was working on. So I was working on a product line for assets, game assets for the Unreal Engine, and most of them were material packages, and I thought about the structural similarity between all the packages and why would I not try to automate some of that. So I started by creating a very simple script to create the thumbnail, just this image. And even though at that time I did not know Python, I knew Bash, I was very successful, and I quickly automated the promotional images of the package. And then I actually ended up automating about 70% of the process. Like 70% of the work is done by the computer. I only do 20% of the work. Now, you can see what kind of power this tool can give us. Sometimes this can be counterproductive because sometimes the task you're trying to automate is much easier done manually than being automated. It just costs so much time, so much money. And it's like a tool in our hand. Sometimes we choose to use it, other time we choose to not use it. I personally believe programming going to become the new literacy. In the future, everyone will learn how to program. Not necessarily being a full-time programmer, but will have programming in his tool belt. Whether we are artist, designer, engineer, other creatives, automation can save us so much time, reduce stress, make our work more enjoyable. Plus, writing code can be actually fun a lot of the time. I enjoy it myself. Especially when the task is going to be done dozens or hundreds of times. Writing a code to just automate it is it's much better idea than doing it manually. So this has been the Elegant Academy. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more videos about programming and automation for creative, let me know down in the comment. And support the channel by giving it a subscribe. Bye bye.